Hi, I'm Lisa Benest, and I'm a dermatologist in Los Angeles, California, and I'm going to speak to you about Skin MD Natural Shielding Lotion today. A shielding lotion is a lotion that provides a natural barrier on top of the skin to protect it from outside chemicals and irritants. In addition, it also acts to keep the moisture and the oils in the skin so that the skin can heal itself. Now, a regular moisturizer is designed to add moisture onto the skin. However, it does nothing to repair the barrier, so it's an endless cycle of constant moisture application onto the skin without healing and curing the dry skin. Every day our skin is exposed to numerous chemicals and irritants just in everyday life. We don't have to be working in chemicals or with cleaning fluids to have that happen. So the Skin MD Natural Shielding Lotion does provide an invisible barrier onto the skin to help protect us from all these irritants which could lead to dry skin, eczema, and other skin problems. There are thousands of skin irritants that exist in our environment that weren't around just decades ago. Things like soaps, shampoos, and cleansers can strip away the natural barrier. In my practice in dermatology, I see many incidents of contact dermatitis where the natural coating has been stripped just from daily use of soaps and other irritants. So at that point, any kind of chemical can enter into the skin and cause a contact dermatitis. We see this as red, dry, itchy skin. Now, shielding lotions such as Skin MD will help restore that barrier and then maintain that barrier even after hand washing so that it's protected against any harsh chemicals that our skin may come in contact with. Now, what I like about Skin MD's shielding lotion is that it's not greasy. It goes on the skin smooth and silky, and you don't even feel like you have anything on. Now, this is different from the barrier creams that have been around that have a greasy, sticky coating that just doesn't seem to leave the skin and then washes off after you use some soap. More and more we're finding chemical antibacterial agents in our cleansers and lotions that not only strip the oils from our skin and cause more irritation, but also cause resistance of the bacteria that we see in our community. What's nice about Skin MD is that there are natural antimicrobial agents such as aloe, chamomile, comfrey that naturally reduce the bacteria without causing harsh irritants and while healing the skin. Skin MD also contains vitamin E, which is a natural antioxidant that helps protect the cell membrane. In addition, it contains arnica and yarrow, both of which are anti-inflammatory, so we see less redness, less dryness, less swelling, and irritation of the skin. Many traditional moisturizers restore the moisture to the skin on a temporary basis, but after continued use actually sends a message back to the skin saying it doesn't need any further moisture to be produced by the skin, and so we can end up with an opposite condition where the skin is less hydrated than it was prior to using the moisturizers. Now, with the shielding lotion, first off, it's a thin layer, so it does not clog the pores, it allows the skin to breathe, and it's what we call non-comedogenic. It doesn't promote acne. Shielding lotions like Skin MD not only protect the skin's barrier, but they restore the moisture to the skin and allow the skin to continue to moisturize itself so that your skin does not become addicted on the moisturizer and ultimately cures the dry skin. I want to introduce a word to you, which is humectants. Now, humectants are substances that add moisture to something, and many humectants actually add moisture from the air into the skin. Now, Skin MD has humectants that are based on cutting-edge chemistry that actually hydrate the skin 6 times more than glycerin, which up until now has been our standard, our gold standard of humectants. In dermatology studies, we use a measurement called transepidermal water loss. Basically, this measures how much water is evaporated from skin over a certain period of time. Most moisturizers on the market actually increase the transepidermal water loss. And what this means is that more water is evaporating from the skin, causing a loss of moisture. Now, SkinMD's shielding lotion not only reduced the amount of transepidermal water loss, but over time increased the skin's ability to moisturize itself. Most cases of eczema are due to water loss or dry skin, or contact dermatitis due to irritants or allergies. Now, if we can increase the moisture in skin while decreasing the exposure to irritants or allergens, then we can alleviate much of what we know as eczema. There are many different factors that go into the aging of the skin. One of those factors is environmental pollution, such as air pollution or water pollution, where the chemicals interact with our skin, causing abnormalities in our cells. Now, if we can use shielding lotions to help prevent exposure to those environmental chemicals, we can keep our skin cells looking stronger, healthier, and younger for a longer period of time.